Good morning, folk. Hope you're doing well. So, today it's another summer gathering with Son of Cyrus. I will be riding car. I'm the transportation for this trip. So, no bike riding for me, but still, it's a blessing to gather, meet the brothers. So tag along and let's see what this journey takes us. Let's go.
Yeah. Engines roll, no borders, no chains. From Tehran to the world. Sons of Cyrus. Started in the heat where the desert winds blow. Coulda ran streets, yeah, that's all we know. 2012, where the brotherhood grows, know we worldwide. Yeah, the whole crew rose from Iran to Sweden. Now we ride in the cold. Norway mountains, yeah, we fearless and bold. It's our highways, Canada roads, same code, same fire, same story told. Not a gang, we a family built on respect. No politics, no hate, just honor we rep. Engines loud, but our principles louder. Unity strong, yeah, we move with power. We the sons of Cyrus, ride or die, no borders on the map when we unify. From the east to the west, hear the engines cry. Brotherhood forever, let the legends ride. Loud and down, feel the ground shake, ground carry miles. It's a mate that we make, sons of Cyrus. No fake, all real, still in the soul. You can hear it, you feel. Cyrus legacy, freedom in our veins, equality. Respect, that's how we reign. Different lands, but we carry the same flag in the heart, not just in the name. From Kreuzberg nights to Oslo lights, New York streets, we ride all night. Toronto vibes, same crew, same pride. Different road, but the same damn ride. We don't care where you're from or your creed. If you ride with respect, then you ride with the team. Open road therapy, chasing the dream. More than a club, yeah, we something unseen. Engines screaming like a war cry sound. Every city that we touch, we shut it down. Not for fame, not for gold we chase. It's the brotherhood bond no one can replace. We the sons of Cyrus, ride or die, no borders on the map when we unify. From the east to the west, hear the engines cry. Brotherhood forever, let the legends ride. Ride them down, feel the ground shake, ground shake. We mine, every move that we make. Sons of Cyrus, all fake, all real, still in the soul. You can hear it, you feel. No borders, no limits, no fear. From Tehran to the world, we here. Sons of Cyrus, MC, forever on the ride.
Norska tider.
اینجا ایرانه سرزمین پسران کوروش از شرق تا غرب شمال تا جنوب تمام جاده ها تحت سلطه چرخهای موتورهای ماست ما برای آزادی این سرزمین میرونیم ما رایدرهای آریایی پرچم سرنگ پر افتخارمون رو در تمام دنیا بالا میبریم گرد و خاک بلند شده از چرخامون دنیا رو توفانی میکنه We ride till we die Cause we are sons of Cyrus riders We end the dust of our wheels are causing a storm in the world No matter how hard the path is We stand in front of it and fight We shake the world with the sound of our engines We are fierce, Aryan warriors Long live the three colors of our flag Long live Cyrus the Great ما می جنگیم مقاومت میکنیم و سوال جان میدهیم چون ما پسران کوش هستیم تا ابد برای این مرز و بوم جان میدهیم بلند شده از چرخامون دنیا رو توفانی میکنه We ride till we die Cause we are sons of Cyrus riders, riders, riders We and the dust of our wheels are causing a storm in the world No matter how hard the path is We stand in front of it and fight We shake the world with the sound of our engines We are fierce, Iranian warriors Long live the three colors of our flag Long live Cyrus the Great Mommy جنگیم و کاو مت میکنیم و سوار جان میدهیم چون ما پسران کوروش هستیم تا ابد برای این مرز و بوم جان میدهیم We shake the world with the sound of our engines We are fierce, Iranian warriors Long live the three colors of our flag Long live Cyrus the Great ما میجنگیم و کاو مت میکنیم و سوار جان میدهیم چون ما پسران کوروش هستیم تا ابد برای این مرز و بوم جان میدهیم